4 sound-producing resonators built into 2 chambers. Extremely easy to blow, cannot be overblown. Flawless patented pealess whistle emits sound power of plus 120 decibels. Includes cushioned mouth grip. Superior clear loud blast carries over long distances. Top reviews from the United States. This whistle goes to 11, and no ball inside. I bought this whistle to replace one I broke that was on my life vest when kiteboarding. I love this whistle for a few reasons. 1. There is no ball inside, so it doesn't rattle when attached to a pack or when it's on a lanyard. Good God, this is by far the best feature. 2. The plastic is thick, unlike my last whistle which snapped and broke when I held it with my teeth. 3. The soft plastic on the end and the ridges makes it really easy to hold in your mouth for long periods of time. This would be great if you're a referee or coach. 4. Oh yeah, it's loud as $% at. It has a really high and shrill, piercing sound. You'll want to plug your ears if you're really gonna blow. Think 4-year-old little girl scream, and you might get close to the sound of this. You can blow at varying levels, so it doesn't have to be all or nothing.